last year I started fermenting, and it has very quickly become my new favorite way of preserving food. Not just because I really enjoy, eating it and saving the money on it, but fermented foods also have a ton of gut healthy benefits. I'm not going to go into it on this video. You can Google it. There's a million bajillion great resources out there on the World Wide Web where you can read about some of the benefits. But I had been using these tops, Masontops airlocks, and I do like them, but I find that I get a little bit of spillover. And I had bought these glass weights, which are fantastic. But yeah, so I love them. They're fantastic. But I got something new, and I'm excited to show you. Super excited to show you. Because I've been really excited to get this. Is the complete fermentation kit. I've actually been really wanting to get this for quite a while, and I'm so excited that I finally got it. So you'll see in the kit is 4 pickle pipes to let the carbon gases out without letting the oxygen in. Pickle pebbles, so more weights. Pickle packer. Oh, I've been wanting one. And a step-by-step guide. So let's take a look at it. All right, so I just popped the lid off here. What do we got? So, how to clean, avoiding cracks, storage. So just some kind of basic instructions. The fermenting guide. So this is kind of exciting. What do we got in here? What is fermentation? Benefits, how it works, dry salting versus brining. Ooh, recipes. Traditional sauerkraut. I already actually make sauerkraut, and I absolutely love making my own sauerkraut. Curry, that's different. Sour dill pickles. I have done dill pickles, but I will definitely be trying out gingered carrots. I have ginger and I have carrots. I wonder what else I need. Fuchsia fermented turnips. Interesting. Fermented jardinera, white kimchi. Interesting. So those are some tasty sounding things. Okay, so here we are. We have these are our pickle pebbles, our glass weights that sit in the top of the jar and hold everything down. These are our little tops to let the gases out, and the pickle packer. I have been so excited about this. So when making sauerkraut, you need to pack it down firmly into the jar. And this right here, I think I'm going to have to make a batch and show you.